Also, if possible, matter may be sent to for mediation, if possible. If possible, Lordship, matter may be sent for mediation, then we can discuss the matter. Because Lordship, 1 crore is very high, and it is impossible for us.
You have any other source of income?
No.
No, sir. It's 20,000 sufficient for you.
No.
Lordship, so want to say something, but in Assamese you'd like to say. Can
Assamese will be a big problem.
okay. Hindi will it be okay?
Can we try Hindi? Yeah, we can try Hindi.
Your Honor, मेरा 2 डॉटर ही मेरे साथ ही रहते हैं। आज से 14 years से मैंने ही उन दोनों को बड़ा किया। पूरा 20,000 ये मुझे पे करते हैं, लेकिन 20,000 कुछ भी नहीं होता है मेरे लिए। तो अभी फैमिली कोर्ट से जो ऑर्डर मुझे मिला है 1 करोड़, वो सिर्फ मेरे लिए नहीं, मुझे दोनों डॉटर का शादी, जो भी फर्दर उन लोगों का एजुकेशन सब मुझे ही करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है। तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि मेरा जो ऑर्डर फैमिली कोर्ट ने दिया है वही मुझे मिले। मेरे लिए ये कम ही है, क्योंकि आजकल 1 करोड़ 2 बेटी को शादी देना, एजुकेशन मैंने ही पूरा कंप्लीट किया उन दोनों का। 14 years से मेरे साथ है। वही मैं प्रे करती हूँ कि मेरा जो मिलना चाहिए मुझे आप लोग वो। थैंक यू।
Lordship, we are ready to bear all expenses of the daughters, and accordingly, whenever she call for the required.
When you are paying only 20,000, how can she take care of her daughter?
Lordship, yesterday evening also, her 2 daughters meet him and discuss the matter. So, if not possible, kindly send for mediation, if possible. Because Lordship, 1 crore is too high.
You make some deposit.
Lord.
You make some. How much can you pay? At this stage.
Lordship, if 1 week time may be allowed.
You pay the amount?
Yes. He
What,
will
1 crore?
no,
How much?
he needs some time to
What's
decide.
the time? Why do you need time?
Lordship, I need a little bit of time to think over the matter because the amount is too high for me.
That's fine. That amount is too high for me, but for the time being, she needs to take care of her children also, of your daughters.
But I would like to say that if you kindly give me some time, a little bit of time.
Lordship, there are
Orders of 2021, isn't it?
right.
You deposit 10 lakhs for the time being.
But that too is too high for me, Your Lordship.
You have a good booming business.
No, I don't have that. It's too high for me. Okay.
Lordship, on record, he has 51 shops in the Fancy Bazaar on record, Lordship, but there are probably around 83 shops that I tried to bring on record through the witnesses. 83 shops. Even if on an average, if I count, then if the rent of the shops will be 10,000, he earns 8.3 lakhs per month, Lordship. It's in a Fancy Bazaar, and the business is called Akram business. There's the entire building, Lordship. So under that circumstances, Lordship, the 1 crore is very little, Lordship. He has income around 1 crore income in a year, and these 2 daughters then it also need to get married, Lordship, for the expenses and all. And my prayer would be before this, before Lordship, that at least 50% of the amount, if it is paid, it may be admitted for hearing, Lordship.
Yeah, that's what we are thinking.
Lordship, Akram business is definitely, there is a Akram business, but all the shops are in the name of her, his late mother. And there is a probate case by his sister. So Lordship,
Probate case is not on record, Lordship, and sister is what he's saying is the adopted sister. No document was submitted regarding the adopted sister.
You deposit 50 lakhs and then we'll admit it for hearing.
Lordship, kindly fix this matter for next week.
Why?
We have to discuss with our senior and that.
Meantime, what happens to the two children?
Lordship, 1 week, kindly. Next week, I'm ready. Lordship, kindly, for next week.
We'll take it up on Wednesday, day after tomorrow.
Friday, Lordship, kindly.
Day after tomorrow. You come prepared with the amount that you want to deposit.
Friday, Lordship, kindly.
Wednesday is the okay.
Come on Wednesday. What's there to think about? You know better. Everything is within your knowledge. What's there to think about? In fact, we can pass an order now also. Have you passed the order?
Wednesday.
Okay. Both the parties are present in court and also represented by the respective counsels. So, on the request of Mr.
Yes, Honor.
A. Shawal and the counsel for the appellant, list the matter on 31st May 2022.
Even if on an average, if I count, then if the rent of the shops will be 10,000, he earns 8.3 lakhs per month, Lordship. It's in a fancy bazaar,